Woo. Florida's back at her identity crisis issues. We're here doing a job real quick, as quick as we can so we can get back in the warmth of our beautiful truck. 375 square feet, repair. It's going pretty much directly behind me, all the way where the machine's sitting. Be 4 rows of 7 chambers or panels, whatever you guys want to call them. Giving me shit over what I call them. And then we got to go pump a tank while we're waiting on an inspection. We're doing the same day today, and we got to pump a tank for another job that we're doing next week. So busy. Got 4 jobs to put in this week, 3 or 4 to put in next week. So trying to do it all before the week of Christmas, so I can go and do some things with my kids. Let's go. Let's get it. We got a busy day and not a whole lot of time. We got the hole dug, and now we're going to lay in 375 square feet, 4 rows of 7. Then we're going to get it piped in and head to pump a tank while we wait on an inspector, get that call, and come back and cover. Pretty nice clean hole. Hit a lot of the old drain field, but there's really nowhere else to go. There's a pool over there. There's a main water line that goes down the other end of the property, so put it where we had to, and we'll get it all cleaned up and sorted out later. Got it all laid in, felt paper laid over top, piped in, header finished. Now we wait for the inspector. God only knows if he's on time or not, but that's okay. We're gonna grab some lunch, get the inspection, come back and cover. Garen's over there concreting in the tank, and that's a wrap. And then we'll cover it up. I'll see you guys then. Tomorrow's gonna be a really fun one. Beautiful view, not a fun job. So tomorrow, not so much fun, but off we go. All right, here we are on the next one. Look at that view. Can't beat the view today. Weather is not as bad as it was about an hour ago. It warmed up. So today we're putting in 375 square feet of drain field again for a really unique and cool looking house. We have to put in a new tank because they originally did this. That is an old Frelo tank. That's the outlet, and that's the inlet side. When they really didn't have to, they could have put that tank however deep they wanted, which is exactly what I'm fixing to do. Put it nice and shallow to where the drain field doesn't have to be as deep. And those Frelo tanks sucked even if you didn't have any cover. So when you got 3.5, 4 feet of cover on it, they don't stand a chance. So we're gonna rip it out. We're gonna put a new infiltrator tank in. We're gonna throw the drain field in and call it a day. All right, so we got the tank in the ground. We're backfilling now. I don't know if the camera caught it or not, but on this hard slope of the yard, the machine, when I hooked up to the tank and went to spinning it around, the machine tipped over, and the only thing that stopped me from flipping over in the machine is the tank. So shout out to Infiltrator tanks. The strength saved me today. So all the talk about poly tanks, it caught a 6,000 pound machine from flipping over. The boom, the bucket caught on the tank, not one piece of damage on the tank. So shout out to Infiltrator for making great products. But we got it. We're going to backfill and connect and get onto the drain fill. We got the drain filled in. Because of the hard slope, we had to step each line down, so each line goes down a little bit further than the next so that we get enough cover. And we hit all this old 9-pipe crap, which I think is garbage, especially when they put it as deep as they did. It'll never work. Other than that, we're done. Gotta wait for the okay. We're gonna pipe it in, then wait for the okay to cover, come back and cover, and on to the next one. We got this one dug out. We're about to lay the chambers in. This one's 375 square feet. You guys seen us take out some of the old chambers. They had those old low profiles, but they still put them in deep, so I don't know why they use those. But those failed. Their drain field was just too deep for the area, and not enough of it, it seems like, from what I probed out, so it failed. But we're gonna put them in a good one that'll last long. So we're gonna lay the chambers now. Alright, well that wraps up this video. That job went about as good as a job could. We were on site installing about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Cover up should go smoothly as well, but we'll see. But that's it for this video. This one was a lot of fun. It was a good week. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you're subscribing, like, comment, share, all those things. Appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy everything. Let me know what you think in the comments. Bye bye.